I call it competitors audience because likely you would look at posts that are from your competitors and see the people that engage with these posts. Hey everyone, to the third tutorial of this tutorial of tutorials for scraping leads. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you scraping of leads, which is actually about LinkedIn. LinkedIn, a great source for finding potential users and also engaging with them, validating your idea or product. So in this case, I can use this template here. And what we are doing is basically we scrape a competitor's LinkedIn audience. But to do that, first of all, you need to create a Google Sheet. So we just create a Google Sheet, which is with one column. And this one column is just LinkedIn URL. And in this case, I go then back to my workflow, copy over this URL here, and I need to put this URL actually into the right place because we want to write this to a Google Sheet again. Here we need to paste it and we need to create a Google Sheet connector again. So we go to Google Sheets connector, we create a connector, we sign up, we click, and we are connected. So now we have created our connector and we are here going back to our workflow. Get leads from LinkedIn audience. And what we want to do now is we want to, in this case, we do fetch the last 25 posts of a specific company page. And this, how do we do this? We have to go to a company page. We go to post tab and we search for Voyager feed dash. Okay. So then we scroll some leads and then we get the organizational page updates. We right click on it and copy as fetch. And then we paste it here to the manual trigger. So for that, we are going over here to Neil. We are going to click on inspect. We are going to go to our network tab. We are going to go to posts. So we are clicking on posts. And now we are searching for this Voyager here, as you see. And we are scrolling a bit. So LinkedIn also using a pagination. And we can say, copy this over again as fetch. Once we have done this, we can go over to our manual trigger. We can paste it and we are ready to set, ready to roll. We run this. And so this is going to make an HTTP request using our cookie from LinkedIn and fetching on a regular basis the last 25 posts of this channel and then finding these people. And when we go over here to our Google Sheet, needle post engagers, we see that the AI agent is working, run positively. Let's go back here and you see these are people, the first 50 people of last content of Needle that interacted actually with the Needle content. And apparently this person had interacted with content of Needle in this regard. We can check also other profiles. For example, this person from Sochar, as well as this one, so already 100. And I can send them a request. It looks at last 25 posts and looks at 50 reactions per post and writes these then to a Google Sheet. So as you see, very powerful automation. You can create like a sheet of people from LinkedIn that engaged with posts of a specific company. In this case, I did it of Needle, but you can think of this also to think of like people that engage with posts of maybe different companies that are still also your target audience. Could be, for example, one of competitive tools users or competitive agency. And you may want to reach out to these people and try to understand what do they like to work on? Why do they like this specific tool? What problems do they face right now? And so on. Or you just run a cold outreach LinkedIn campaign over them. Also for sure a possibility. So do whatever you want to do with these leads. I just have shown you how to find these leads from posts from specific companies, from company posts. I think this is really powerful and can help you to find wonderful leads and create these wonderful Google Sheets. This was the third episode of our tutorials of scrapers. And I'm excited to see you in the fourth tutorial where we are going to show you another very powerful scraper of leads for you. With this said, see you soon. Try out this tutorial. It's called Get Leads from Competitors LinkedIn's Audience. I call it Competitors Audience because likely you would look at posts that are from your competitors and see the people that engage with these posts. Also maybe to better understand your ICP, maybe to better do an outreach to them, engage with them and understand what does your competitors' tools have or how do they know about this tool. And for example, why do they prefer this tool over your tool or why did they engage with this content specifically? So yeah, always good to talk with users, always to understand competitors' audience also. And yeah, happy scraping of leads, happy automation here with this one. Just check it out, get leads from competitors' LinkedIn audience, use that template, connect your Google Sheet as I have shown, fetch over the LinkedIn request and you're ready to go to scrape some wonderful, very, very valuable leads for you.